This tutorial has been requested a lot on my Discord server, so I can finally make it. Also, I'm really sorry about my voice. I'm kind of sick. So yeah, what is realism in designing community? Well, it's being able to recreate a reference exactly the same but hand drawn. These are a few examples of good references that they must have good lighting and they have to be in a flat background so you can be able to see everything better, and you can actually put them in PNG so you can resize them on your template, which I will explain it right now. What I did here to get my outline was to resize the latex top on the template and start tracing. So that's how I got the outline. Now I was just filling it in with my base color, which I will use to shade later. Right here I'm just starting to color pick every single pixel and smudge it with my smudge tool. So I will kind of speed up this part. Also, don't forget to use the symmetry tool so you don't have to do your work twice. It's just for laziest like me. When doing realism, you have to be really patient because it doesn't take 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but like hours. Or like me, this design took me 45 minutes to make because I was in a rush, so I had to make it fast. So this is the final result. I hope you like it, and let me know what other type of tutorials I should make on my YouTube. Bye!